Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can mutate your plants without the mutation machine in Plants vs. Brainrots game on Roblox. The Sprout Studies update. Okay, let's get into it, guys. The Sprout Studies has been released in Plants vs. Brainrots, and then there is a way to mutate our plant without the mutation machine. Okay, and here you just need to give the seed, and then the seed will turn into a plant, but it will have mutation. And this is the experiment chances. We will have 85% possibility or chance to get the abomination mutation on the plants. Okay, let me practice it, guys. I'm going to give random seed from my inventory. For example, my eggplant. Okay, I'm going to give my seed and I will get reward from here as well. And for these seed, it takes 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, we can get the plants with mutation. Thank you guys, and that's how you can get mutated plants, or that's how you can mutate your plants without the mutation machine in Plants vs. Brainrots game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.